Meaning of fundamental force.
Fundamental force.
Fundamental force.
Fundamental force.
Fundamental force. A fundamental force is a force that cannot be explained by or reduced to any other forces. There are four known fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Gravity is the force that attracts two bodies towards each other. Electromagnetic force affects charged particles. Strong nuclear force binds protons and neutrons together in an atomic nucleus, and weak nuclear force causes certain types of radioactive decay. Understanding these fundamental forces is crucial to our understanding of the universe and its workings. They are the building blocks upon which all physical phenomena can be explained.